rip. And you can see we've had a beautiful beautiful double distribution buy, a bread and butter buy trade here. Do you see how beautiful that is for a bread and butter buy? But what else is that trade, Paul? Jesse, you were acknowledging the previous classroom. What else is that price? It's a mitigation buy by the market makers, isn't it? It's a mitigation buy by the market makers, you agree? Why? Well, because there was a sell order here. The price did drop away from that. And technically, we could argue that there was sell orders here as well that never really went anywhere. So it'd be quite obvious that if we were to trade back to this price, there's going to be a mitigation buy trade, isn't there? So we do trade back to that buy price, and the value is still bullish divergent. So there is a mitigation buy trade there to get you started on a, and it is also a what? It's you couldn't make it up, could you? It's also a bread and butter double distribution higher. You see the blue pin zone at a higher price from the previous bottom edge blue pin zone, which was over here. There it is, blue pin zone into a higher blue pin zone. It's a double distribution higher, and it's the first one. It's the first one into a mitigation price. How awesome as a confluence of things that we can ever get in terms of getting a great trade. And there's more. It's also the 37 handle. And there's more. We've also got a lot of buy stop orders. Buyers in here with sell stop orders resting below from this price, isn't there? So we get everything they could ever want in this trade. This isn't just a 2 arrow lift. It's a 20 arrow lift if we wanted it to be. This is an all-in maximum buy, isn't it? All-in maximum buy trade. And the rip, well, disappointing because obviously the dollar starts to then peel off a little bit, and that's the difficult thing. But as we came into balance here, a lot of sellers in here, isn't there? There's a lot of sellers coming into this trade area here. Well, then the value moved against all those sellers. And if they were slow, they're in real trouble. And then we get the mitigation price coming from all of that trade there, isn't it? There's the mitigation price there, isn't it? So you can see where the mitigation price is from all that selling. You can see it right here. So with the value going bid, it seemed reasonable that this is going to be a very, very nice buying opportunity from a mitigation trade idea. And there's your nice buying opportunity from a mitigation trade. It's not quite as sexy as the other one, but it's pretty damn good. And we've got the trade all the way up to the 14s, which is exactly where we thought we were going to get it up to. So that's been a nice outcome. I've just taken a bit of short selling there at 13.5. Stops are at break even. I didn't get 13.5 on Ninja Trader, or I got 13.3 on Ninja Trader, guys. 13.3 on Ninja Trader. So there's the trade there. See it for yourself. So that's the trade. It's not that difficult, is it really? Look at the tick divergence at the top edge. See the tick divergence? So with the tick divergence coming in, it's a relatively easy trade to lean against a buyer, take a quick shot on that rejection there. As you can see, we had the rejection already marked for you. We told you we were going to do business, and if you decided to join me in a bit of selling, congratulations, a relatively pain-free short sell at that stage, isn't it? A relatively pain-free short sell off of a red pin zone. And we've picked up a few $100. So there's $200 a contract on the drop, guys. $200 on the contract on the drop. And we said 14s. So if you were able to get as close to 14s as possible, that was a pretty good outcome. So we're off and running. Let's see what happens. Obviously, we've got the challenge of the middle buyer here, because there is a couple of pins here that we know that's could be a wee bit of a challenge. So we do want to see a bit of motion to the ocean at 11s. And if it doesn't, then we'll probably find that we're going to run another stop run at the top edge through to 15s to 16s. 15s to 16s here. So let's see what happens.